What is in-house insurance?
Ang in-house insurance ay insurance na inaalok ng mismong Toyota Calamba Laguna Inc. Makipag-usap lang sa mga authorized insurance sales representatives ng Toyota Calamba.
What are the advantages?
Ang mga advantages nito ay convenience and reliability, flexible payment terms, promos and discounts, one-stop shop, free estimate, quick claim process, and fast LOA approval and fixed deductible.
Kung ikaw ay masangkot sa aksidente, ano bang dapat mong gawin? Number 1, ensure safety. Number 2, prevent second accident. Number 3, take a picture of the vehicle. And number 4, contact Toyota Calamba.
How to claim in-house insurance at Toyota Calamba?
Kung in-house ang insurance mo, kami nang bahala ng proseso ng claims mo. Pumunta lamang sa Body and Paint Department ng Toyota Calamba at dalhin ang mga sumusunod. Then, wait for the approval of your insurance bago ipasok ang inyong sasakyan para i-repair. Dito sa Toyota Calamba, kami nang bahala sa kotse mo.
To know more about Toyota Calamba, please like and follow our page.